Problem child.
What's up y'all? Today I actually got my new fish finder. It's a Humminbird Helix 5 G2. So this one has the down scan imaging as well as the side imaging. So this means I can see fish to the side of the boat. Now that's really gonna be a game changer for me, so I don't have to, spook the fish by getting real close and seeing what's under, seeing what's under the boat. Y'all keep rocking with me. Fred B Fishing TV. New episodes coming soon. Please continue to like, subscribe, comment. I hope to put more content out on a daily basis, or weekly, at least weekly. Alright, appreciate it. Alright y'all, this is, like I said, the new fish finder that I got. Just a little upgrade from what I got previously, which was a Humminbird, I think piranha D.I.Y, I believe, something like that. But I definitely feel like this is gonna step up my my fishing capabilities a little bit more. And again, this one has side imaging, down imaging, still got the chirp digital sonar, dual beam, and I'll be able to kind of like live chart the water that I'm in. So that'll be pretty nice too. But let me go ahead and get this situated, read through the manuals and everything, make sure I ain't doing nothing wrong, and hopefully go ahead and get this hooked up on the boat. Alright y'all, stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the old fish finder unit that oh shit. See, it's the reason why I'm upgrading. But this is the old system that I've been using, the Piranha Max 4 DI by Humminbird. Pretty much had it right over here, and just, it can swivel so it can face me or whatever, face it to the back. Well, that's cool and all, but the new one, for this new one, it don't got a swivel, so it's pretty much gonna be stationary. So the brilliance in me said, you know what, if it's gonna be stationary, I might as well make it a little bit more convenient for me, a little bit closer to me, and a little bit more portable. So this is my battery box for the fish finder. Normally where I keep the battery inside, enclosed. What I'm gonna do instead is just do that. I'm gonna just install it right on the goddamn box. So that way the unit, you know what I'm saying, I can take it wherever with me, position wherever I can, or wherever I want it to. And I think that'll be a little bit more convenient for me. So that's the next step, guys. So there you guys have it. All I did was install it to the top of this tackle box, which is gonna have my battery in it. That way it makes it really portable at this point, and it's closer to me where I'm gonna be sitting. All I'm gonna probably do is just put it over here, out of the way. Yeah, that way I can easily reach it. I'll be able to see the screen a lot easier, and again, completely portable. Now with the weight of the battery in it, it won't be able to tip over or nothing like that. And guys, the new transducer was able to pretty much attach right onto my the same Scotty transducer holder. So I'm probably gonna move the transducer up here a little bit, just to have it more in the front, basically, for just preference. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go now. Again, all I did was make the fish finder portable, so I'll now be able to take this pretty much anywhere. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.